Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to calculate the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the value of a in 2 raised to 4a plus 4 equals 4 raised to 2a plus 1 plus 12. A, 4. B, 2, C, 1, D, 3, E, 0. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. 2 raised to 4a times 2 raised to 4 equals 4 raised to 2a times 4 plus 12. Therefore, 2 raised to 4a times 2 raised to 4 equals 2 raised to 4a times 2 squared plus 12. 2 raised to 4a times 2 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4a times 2 squared equals 12. 2 raised to 4a times 2 squared minus 1 equals 12. 2 raised to 4a times 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 raised to 4a equals 1. Therefore, a is equal to 0. And the answer is letter E. Assuming we are not allowed to use a calculator, it will take at least 75 seconds to solve this question. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4.0. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E, 0. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's now calculating the problem and it quickly gave us the correct answer. The value of A is 0, which is the same answer as we got from the standard method, and that is letter E. Great job, ChatGPT! Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option E. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem and how fast it can give us the answer. Alright, it definitely gave us a quick answer, but it didn't give us the same answer, and according to Gemini, none of the above corresponds to the value of A, which is incorrect because we know that the value of A is 0, which is the letter E, which we got from the standard method or standard calculation and ChatGPT. Oh well, sometimes AI does not give us the answer. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Simply look at the options and start substituting the values in the expression and just check which one satisfies the equation. Also, remember to start substituting with the value that is easiest of all to substitute. In this case, for example, the easier values are 0 and 1. You would notice that 0 satisfies the equation as follows. Hence, the answer is option E. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.